Today we are going to do sign conventions. Our topic is sign conventions for convex lens as well as concave lens. For that beta, first of all you should know the lens formula. Lens formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 over v minus 1 over u. Now what is f here? F is focal length of the lens. Focal length means second focal length of the lens. V is distance of image from the optical center or from the lens. And U is distance of object from the lens. Now first of all we will do for the convex lens beta. This line we have shown for the convex lens. This is the principal axis. Then these points already you are knowing. This O is optical center, F1 is first principal focus, F2 is second focus, and beta always remember that the distances which are in the direction of incident light, we have to take them as positive. Like here we have shown incident light, always object is kept towards the left side of the lens. So all the distances, incident ray has to start from the head of the object. So incident ray will travel in this direction toward the lens. So the distance which will be in the direction of incident light, they will be taken as positive. Now object we have kept towards the left side. It means this is in the opposite direction of incident light beta. So U for convex lens will be taken as negative. Then V beta, V we have written positive for real image. Real image means which will form on the opposite side of the lens. And it will always be inverted. So the image will be in the direction of incident light. So it will be positive for real image. But when the convex lens, because for when the object is kept between F1 and O, it forms virtual image. Then beta image is formed on the same side of the object. Again the distance, the direction will be in the opposite direction of incident light. So it will be taken as negative. Negative for virtual image and positive for real image. Then beta this F2 point is always situated on the right side. From the beginning only I am saying you F2 is always taken on the right side, which is in the direction of incident light. So F2 is always positive for convex lens. Otherwise you can understand by this also beta. In maths you are doing the graph. You are drawing the graph like that. This is positive x. This is negative x, this is positive y, and this is negative y. So object is kept on this side. So object distance will always be taken as negative. Then if the image will form on this side, on the right side, image distance will be taken as, means V's value will be taken as positive. And if image is virtual one, then V will be taken as negative. Then this F2 is always situated on this side. So F2 means second focus or second focal length will always be positive. Then come to the concave lens beta. For the concave lens, these points are, we have to take on the opposite side, but object will always be kept on the left side. Again, it means for concave lens, object distance will be taken as negative because it is in the opposite direction of the incident light. Now here you see F2. Sorry, this F2 is lying on the right side in the opposite direction of incident light beta. Its focal length will always be taken as negative. Then image distance. Concave lens always forms virtual image. Virtual image means the image will form on the same side of the object. So bache, again it means you see, compare here, it is minus x. So image distance we have to take as So this table, if you will learn, that will be easy for you to substitute the values with the sign in this formula. F is, again I am saying, focal length. V is distance of image from the lens, and U is a distance of object from the lens. According to this table, you have to put the values with their proper sign in the formula and then solve it. You will get the answer. And you can take the help of this graph also. Positive y, negative y, positive x, negative x. And always remember, object will be kept on the left side. And if real image will form, it will form on the opposite side of the object. So for that, image distance will always be taken as positive. And if virtual image will be there, image distance, because image will form on the same side of the object, it will be taken as negative. For convex lens, focal length, because second focus is lying on the right side, so it will be taken as positive. But for the concave lens, F2 is lying on the right side, so it will be taken as minus. These numericals are very, very important. Then next one more point is coming, beta. That is magnification. What is magnification? Magnification is size of image to the size of object. Size of image means length of image to the length of object. So if the image will, for that we have to use these points. If the image will form below the principal axis, you see here beta negative is there, it means then we have to take as I as minus. But if image is formed on the above the principal axis, then it will be taken as positive. And object, we are always knowing, object is always kept above the principal axis. Real image will form below the principal axis, so real image will have the negative value. Virtual image will always form above the principal axis, so it will be taken always positive. So beta, we are knowing that convex lens can form both types of images, that real also, virtual also. So convex lens may have this magnification positive as well as negative, but the concave lens always having the magnification that is positive.